Hello guys, in this video I will teach you how to send one-time view picture on WhatsApp. Without further ado, let's get started. First things first, open WhatsApp and then select the chat that you want to send the one-time view photo. Note this feature is only available for the latest version of WhatsApp, so don't forget to update your WhatsApp. So the first step is to click on the camera icon that is above the send button. After that, select your picture. Then you need to tap on the button that says 1 in bottom right corner, and that's it. By the way, once you open the photo, you can't reopen it. I hope this was helpful to you. See you next time. And by the way, please subscribe to my channel. It would mean a lot to me.